All right, vets, quick questions for you. If you've got a 50% disability rating and then you add 30% disability on top of that, what do you think your final rating is? Most of you guys are going to say that's 80%, but you're wrong. This is where so many veterans gets confused, and it's the exact reason you're not going to get the benefits you deserve. So today in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the VA math, what it is, why it is not normal math, and how to calculate it in a way that even your 8-year-old can understand. So if you're older than 8 and you still don't understand the VA math at the end of this video, shame on you. Go outside and do some push-ups until you can understand it. All right, let's get into the video. Once you understand this, you'll finally see why your claims came back at 70% instead of 80%, and you'll know exactly what to do next. Listen, I remember the first time I saw my rating letter, I had 50% rating for PTSD, and then I had 30% rating for my back. And I thought to myself, sweet, that should be 80%, right? Wrong. When I opened the letter, it said 70% combined ratings. I was pissed off. I thought they were robbing me. And I know a lot of you guys felt the same way. You've looked at your award letter, you've added up the numbers in your head, and you thought the VA is screwing me over. How is this math even possible? The math is just not mathing. What I'm telling you, my friend, the math is mathing. It's just a different method of math that the VA is using, not the one that you're used to. Yep, thank your elementary teacher. All those times you sat there, 5 plus 5, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, wasted. Because that does not correlate here, buddy. We gotta use the VA math system, but the good news is we're gonna be teaching you guys exactly how to understand it and how to do it. Here's the truth, they're not using normal math, they're using the VA math. It's a system designed around the idea of a whole person, and let me explain. Number one, the whole person concept. The VA assumes you start out at 100% whole. Every disability rating that you get is like a chunk taken out of that whole person. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So if you have 50% PTSD, that means you're considered 50% disabled and 50% efficient. Then what happened next is the next disability is applied to the remaining efficiency, not the original 100%. That's the trick most of us miss. So, number 2. Okay, let's do this together. Grab a pen if you want to follow along. Start off at 100%, guys. Take away 50% for PTSD. That leaves you with 50% of your normal self. Remember, the VA looks at you as a whole person. So if you have PTSD at 50%, they're gonna take away that 50% from you. That means 50% of you is still efficient, still functioning well, can still do everything, right? Now, if you apply 30% to that remaining 50%, that 30% of 50% is now 15. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add that to your 50% to give you 65% disability. The VA rounds everything to the nearest 10. So if you get 65, or you get 66, or you get 67, that rounds up to 70%. So if you have 50% PTSD, 30% back pain, your VA rating is gonna equate to 70%. Okay guys, so we're gonna do another example to make sure you guys truly understand this. First, we're gonna start with a whole person at 100%. Remember, 100% of you is efficient, right? From that 100%, we're gonna take 40% of it, right? So that's gonna leave 60% of you that is still efficient, and 40% of you is not efficient. Next, we're gonna take 20% of 60, which equates to 12, and add that 12% to the 40% of you that is not efficient anymore, that is disabled, which is gonna give you 52%. So right now, as it stands, your VA rating is 52%. But remember, we have 10% more. So we're gonna take that 10% of the remaining 48, right? Which equates to 4.8, and add that to the 52%, which is gonna give you 56.8% of you being disabled. Since the VA rounds everything up to the nearest 10, that means your VA rating is at 60%. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. See, that's why it's so important for you to stack these different disabilities, because when you start stacking them up, they move you a lot closer to getting that 100%. So based off this scenario, that individual is now currently sitting at 60%. You don't have to get 100% completely to be rated 100%. If you get 95%, if you get 96%, that means you are 100%. Every rating is a percentage of what is left, not for the original 100%. Why does order matter? The VA applies the highest rating first. Whatever you're being rated for at the highest is always gonna be the one that is calculated first. That's why 50% plus 30% plus 10% is not the same as 10% plus 30% plus 50%. Always starts with the biggest rating or the biggest number. The system is literally designed to keep you from hitting 100% easily. They call it the whole person theory, but really it's the VA map gymnastics. The VA combined rating table. Here's the kicker, guys. The VA actually has an official combined rating table. It looks like a giant chart where you cross-reference percentage, but it's confusing as hell. That's why I recommend using a VA math calculator online. You just plug in your numbers and it shows you the real combined rating instantly, and you don't have to sit there and write it out and try to calculate everything. But it helps for you to understand how to do it initially, so when you do go and start using this calculator, you understand exactly how and why your rating is the rating that you have. I'm going to drop a link down below in the description to a VA calculator that you can use. I'm not endorsed by this. I don't get anything from them. It's just me trying to provide value to you guys that are watching this video. So go ahead, use it, and apply it. But now you understand why you got the ratings that you got. Key takeaway, it's not a straight addition. Each new percentage is applied to the remaining efficiency. Always round to the nearest 10. Order do matter when it comes to using the VA map. The VA makes it complex on purpose, but once you know the rules, you know how to play the game. Now, here's the part I need you guys to understand clearly. The VA math may feel a little discouraging. It might feel like you're never gonna reach 100%, but listen, don't let that mindset stop you. Don't let it deter you. Fire cleans. You don't need to be a master of the VA math to understand it or to get 100%. Just do your due diligence, provide the right evidence, tell your story effectively, and you will be able to get there to that 100% that you need. I've been there. I felt like I hit a wall, but I kept pushing. I kept documenting everything, and I appealed. You can keep fighting this fight until you win. It doesn't matter how many times you appeal. It doesn't matter how many secondary claims you submit. You can keep fighting. What it does matter is the due diligence that you put in, how prepared you are, so you don't have to keep prolonging your 100% permanent and total. That can actually change your life and provide financial freedom to you and your family if you use it effectively. So don't look at the VA map as if it's a wall. Look at it as the rule to the game that you have to understand, that you have to learn, so that you can keep playing the game effectively. And once you know that rules, you are going to be one step closer to beating the game. Listen guys, if this video helped you clear things up, do me a favor. Share it with someone that you know is struggling with the VA math right now, that's gonna bring value to, and they're gonna understand it. Subscribe to the channel, because you know we got more value coming. This is what I do full-time now. I'm going to be providing you guys with as much of my experience that I've used by going through the VA process, so that you don't have to deal with the complexity, the stress, the hassle that I had to deal with when getting my 100% PNT. If you're a veteran, click the link in the description, fill out the information for our VA Claims Made Easy app so that when we do launch, you're one of the first individuals that have access to this platform so you can get closer to getting that benefits that you deserve. Or if you've already at 100%, you've already filed your claims, send the website to your battle buddy that are getting out so that they can be armed with effective tools to help them go through the process, because the best and the smartest people are those who learn from other people's mistakes and they don't make the same mistakes. And if you have the ability to help your battle buddy not make the same mistakes that you went through, not deal with the same hassles, it's your moral obligation to help them do that. And how you do that is by sending them that website, sending them the link so they have the opportunity to be armed with the right tools to help them win this process. Guys, my name is Ruben Gama, CEO of VA Claims Made Easy. If this video brought you value, you know what to do. That being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.